Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera not working problem on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here in the search bar, just search camera and tap on camera. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on storage. Now from here, just tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Then tap on delete. Now once you've done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on permissions. Now from here, just make sure you give the camera app the access to the camera. Now just go back. Now from here, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on reset app preferences. Now just tap on reset. Now once you've done that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on the power icon in your control center. Now just tap on restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the camera not working problem on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now just open the camera app and check if it is working or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix camera not working problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.